Congratulations on your brand new Aquaglide Chinook. Let's get it set up together.
Once you've unrolled it, locate your 3 Boston valves. The first thing you want to do is making sure they are tight. Secondly, you're going to check the base of the valve is clear and you're going to tighten it into the bottom section of the valve. Your Aquaglide Chinook has 3 bladders that you need to inflate. 1 in each side tube and 1 in the floor. We're going to start off by inflating the side tubes to 50%. Insert your hand pump into the valve and start pumping. Before inflating the base, you want to check that the center lines are in line with the center of the handles. And insert your pump and start inflating the bottom to 1 psi. Once your floor reaches 1 psi, it should be firm underhand but still have a soft bounce. You're then going to tighten the top of the valve cap up.
Side tube should be inflated at 2 psi, which gives a fully rounded shape, no sagging, and firm undercutch feel. Double check all your valves nice and tight. To attach to your seat, if you're paddling your own, aim central for the seat. Paddling as a 2-person, 1 towards the front, 1 towards the back. Base of the seat is Velcro, which lines up with the Velcro strips on the floor of the kayak. Push it into place and clip onto the side attachment points. Find your footrests. These line up with the Velcro strips on the base. Lastly, attach your fin. Slide in from one end, push down flush, and insert in.